Hi, my name is Mei Liao. I'm the parent of Chloe. She is in the pre-primary class now. Chloe has joined Inspire Kids Montessori since she was 5 months old. It's not just a daycare, but also a great school for kids to learn and grow. She has become more and more independent since she joined the school. We can see the homework they bring home every day. It was really fun and educational. She can count 1 to 30 in both Chinese and English. She can count 1 to 10 in Spanish, and she can draw a little bit. You can see that they are very dedicated to assist students on their academic development through different kinds of fun activities. And you can always feel the love and find one smile on their face when they're taking off the children. Even during the COVID pandemic time, Chloe still learned a lot through the distance learning program. And they also provide lots of learning resources while we stay at home. We highly recommend to bring your children to Inspire Kids Montessori. They will absolutely love here.